Okay, today we have a fun fountain pen unboxing. This is the Aurora 888 Blue Mamba Limited Edition. It just comes in their standard Aurora black and gray cardboard box with all of the pen information on the side. I do like that they include some detailed information about their pens on the side of their box, and you'll also see here that it is a numbered limited edition of 888 total pens. And you can see right here exactly what your fountain pen's made of. Your fountain pen cap and barrel are made in blue resin with what they describe as revisited guilloche and blue satin grip section. They also have blue satin PVD trims and an 18 karat solid gold nib with blue PVD treatment. So that nib is one of the things that everybody's really excited about. So let's get a good look. Just to lift off top, you'll get a little bit of information about the company right away, right there in your brochure. And then I do like when they have an easy access point, and this box does. So you can easily pull out your gift box. The interior gift box is just black with the Aurora logo on the top there, and it is hinged. Inside you've got some more branding in the lid, and then your pen sitting right here, along with a little plaque that says 18 karat solid gold nib. Let's pull out the pen. The pen is in a little plastic sleeve, and this is just such a vivid blue. I love the color. When you lift up the false bottom, you get another brochure with more information about the company, the pen, how to care for it. Your warranty information will be in here, so this is important. You don't want to lose it. And then you have a little Aurora tag here as well. Color is amazing, and I love how the monochromatic look, I really go for that. So if that's not your thing, you might not love this pen, but I really like it. And I also like the contrasts in the texture on this pen. So on the crown of the cap here, you have, it's all the same color, but you have a really highly polished glossy finish there, and it's smooth. And then on the cap behind the nib, this is all textured, and you can, it's different texture than that smooth bit. And then you have that highly polished bit at the end of the barrel again. You do have the matching PVD blue trims, and you've got the ring here, you've got the center ring here with the Aurora name, as well as made in Italy, and a little bit of extra decoration with those two rings on top of bottom of the engraved brand name there. And then you do have a spring metal clip here with a decorative end that also makes it easy to actually use it. It has a screw-on cap, and it has that ink window, and it's a little bit of a smoky ink window, which I think is cool. And here's your 18 karat gold nib with the blue PVD plating. So this is your Aurora 888 Blue Mamba limited edition, and as we said at the very beginning, it's limited to 888 pieces. The ink window does allow you to check out the ink level, as well as to see your piston filling system in action. And that is your Blue Mamba. A lot of people are looking forward to this release. It's a really interesting release. I really like it. So highlights are that 18 karat gold nib with the blue PVD treatment that matches the blue satin PVD trims. You also really have to get a good look at this finish on the pen. It is so amazing. Okay, so that's a good look at Aurora's 888 Blue Mamba limited edition. And if you want more information, visit penchalet.com.